Good morning, children. Welcome to a new happy learning video. I saw all your artwork, it was awesome. First of all, I would like to appreciate you all for the artwork you sent me on Tuesday and your dedication towards your academics. Today, we are going to learn about roughage and water, and what is known as a balanced diet. What are roughage and water? Besides nutrients, roughage and water also form an important part of our food. Roughage is the part of the food we get from plants that cannot be digested by our body. It has no food value, but it helps in the proper functioning of the digestive system by removing waste out of the body. Whole grain foods, oatmeals, fruits, vegetables are the rich sources of roughage. Water is essential for life. It has more food value in our body. People can live without food for several weeks. However, people would die in a few days without water. Water is very essential for the proper functioning of the body and it controls the body temperature. We should drink at least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day. We get most of the water by drinking milk, tea, coffee, juice, etc. Fresh fruits and vegetables also provide us a lot of water. It helps our body to absorb nutrients from food. It also helps in removing waste from our body in the form of sweat and urine. Next, we are going to learn about what is a balanced diet. The food we eat on a regular basis form our diet. A balanced diet contains all the nutrients like carbohydrate, fat, proteins, vitamin and minerals in the balanced amount. Together with roughage and water, we need to eat balanced diet for proper growth and development of our body. Balanced diet is not same for all age groups and occupations. Eating too much or too little of any nutrient is not good for us as it can cause diseases. Next, we are going to learn about what is a food pyramid. A food pyramid is a chart that can be used to see how many servings of each food should be consumed each day. It is for having good health. The pyramid has 4 levels. The peak represents fats and sweets. The second level represents proteins from animals and plants. The third level represents vitamins and minerals from plants, that is, vegetables and fruits. And the bottom level represents foods from grains, example, bread, cereals and rice. Before ending, we will have a small recap on today's session.
Now, most important part of body.
This is water.
Yeah, this is very important. You know, half of our weight is water in our body.
Oh, I am of 30 kg. That means there's 15 kgs of water in my body.
Yes, it helps to keep our body clean and helps in digesting our food.
Water keeping body clean and help in digestion.
Let me show you something.
Why milk again?
Because it has everything. This is called a wholesome food.
Let me note it down. So now on, I would eat all kinds of food, but less fat.
Let's revise what we've learned.
What is this?
Oh, this is called the food pyramid. It tells which food we should eat more and which we should eat less.
Oh, so we should eat less oil and butter.
Yes, and see at the bottom.
We should eat more cereals, breads.
And also vegetables and fruits. Here's a test for you. Can you tell me which food is what?
Oh, this is butter. this gives us fat and makes us fatty.
Yes, so we should eat less butter.
Oh, this is milk, which gives us protein, which help in repairing and making new cells. Good for growth.
Yes, so we should take more milk.
Oh, I'm eating vitamins.
Yes, vitamin helps us to fight diseases. You know, I love carrots.
Yes, vegetables give us minerals and vitamins to keep our body healthy. Oh, rice is also here.
Yeah, but we need to cook it. These gives us carbohydrates, the instant energy.
Oh, I need instant energy. I have to run to my soccer class.
Okay, children, now is the time for activity. Draw and color a food pyramid with nutrients and capture a photo of your drawing and send it to me. Have a great day, children. Bye.